If you're buying a home, you might wonder, is home insurance necessary? Well, the short answer is yes. Not only is it essential for protecting your investment, but lenders require it before you can even close on your home. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Most policies cover repairs and rebuilding costs if fire, storms, or other covered disasters damage your home. This is crucial for safeguarding what is likely your most significant investment. In addition, many policies cover personal items like furniture, electronics, and clothing if they are stolen or damaged. Can you imagine losing everything in a fire and needing to replace essential items you've worked so hard for? Liability protection protects you if someone gets injured on your property. This coverage can help cover medical bills or even legal costs if you're sued, saving you from unexpected financial burdens. In summary, homeowners insurance isn't just another bill, it's an investment in your peace of mind. So if you're curious about your next move, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.